One of the great things about Gohighlevel is they are constantly improving and adding really great new features. But how do you keep track of it all? Well, there's an easy way to find out. In your account, if you go over here to the top right and you click on this icon here, second from the right, it gives you all the latest new fixes and added features right at your fingertips. In fact, if you click here where it says see all changes, it will take you to their change logs and you can easily see what's new and what can you incorporate right away. It gives you the how-to, it gives you video, it gives you images. Just simply by scrolling down, you can easily see what are the new changes and is there something that will help me improve my marketing even better than before. I hope you've enjoyed this Gohighlevel quick tip from Real Leads Finder Pro. If you're new to Gohighlevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses, offering step-by-step tutorials that you can follow along to quickly build and set up your Gohighlevel account automations. We also offer a course called Mastering AI Conversations, which will take you through step-by-step on how to set up an AI chatbot, AI live conversations, and many AI features you may not be yet aware of. So check us out at Real Leads Finder Pro under Courses for more information.